Are you interested in 3D printing but don't know where to start? Do you want your 3D prints to go from awful to awesome? Well, you're in the right place. And here on Maker's Muse, I've been teaching 3D printing for over 10 years, and now I'm relaunching my Patreon. I originally launched a Patreon page over 10 years ago to help get the channel started, but I wound it down over the years as the channel grew. Well, times have certainly changed, and independent creativity online is under threat. So I've spun it back up as a way to stay connected and help me to continue making high quality educational content for free here on YouTube. You can follow for free if you want to keep on top of channel updates, or choose from one of the reward tiers to access some really cool things like behind the scenes content, fun designs to 3D print that you won't find anywhere else, and there's the brand new Maker's Muse Discord channel. This is the best way to stay up to date with all things Maker's Muse, and I am on Discord way too much these days. And in the server you can ask your troubleshooting questions, share something cool that you're working on, or even jump into regular community chats and hangouts. Since the beginning of my YouTube journey, it has been my aim to empower your creativity through technology, and that is still my driving force. The technology has certainly evolved, but there is still so much more to learn, and I will continue to support this amazing community through free content here on YouTube, from unbiased reviews to tutorials and projects that inspire me and push the boundaries of 3D printing technologies. And if you're unable to support, or Patreon just isn't for you, that's totally fine. Simply sharing my videos is a huge help, and I really do appreciate it. So if you want to check out the Patreon, you can find it linked in the description below, or you can click to learn more here. Oh yeah, by the way, we also have a pets channel on the Discord server, and I want to see your pets. Like this little jiggly idiot here. See you soon, guys. Bye.